Rush fam, welcome back to the channel. So we are right here on the Port Royal Street Coastal Revetment project. We're just taking a update. It's almost finished. Parking is in, the jogging trail is in, and persons have started to use the facility already. So it's almost finished. So we're just doing a quick update on this project so you guys can see what's going on. As usual, I'll set up the drone as well so you guys can see some aerial shots. So this project runs from here straight down to the Foreign Affairs building close to Waterfront, close to the Victoria Pier. So that's where it's starting, and it runs the entire length all the way down. As usual, wait for the drone views so you'll get a good aerial shot of the area as well. The wind noise may be heavy, so apology for that in terms of the wind noise. But just giving you guys a quick update on this Port Royal Street Coastal Revetment project. Alright, so this project starts at the Raytown Fishing Village. So this is where it starts, and as I mentioned, it runs all the way close to the waterfront downtown. A part of the project is fishing area, jogging trail, just a chill spot. As I said, parking is here, restroom will be here as well, and then the jogging trail will run right along the roadway straight close to the waterfront. So this is where we're at. The project is 950 million Jamaican dollars. That's the cost. Let me know if you think it's worth it. And we know we have the prison over there that a lot of persons are saying that should be relocated and be repurposed for some prime real estate. Let me know what you think. So stay tuned. Not a lot of talking. We're gonna set up the drone so you guys can get some aerial shots. So Port Royal Street Coastal Revetment project. Stay tuned and let's set up the drone. Alright guys, so just wanted to highlight right here. As I mentioned, it's mainly a drone video, but right here with this tons and tons of garbage and bottles is a part of a project, a cleaning project. I'll highlight it a little later because there was an article in the newspaper. So they cordon off the where the gully meets the sea so that they can capture all this debris as part of a project that they're working on to be able to better keep the ocean clean. So it's very stink. I know you guys can't smell it. I guess probably in the next 10 years YouTube will figure out a way and technology will figure out a way where you're watching a video and you can smell something. I don't know how, but it's very stink because the water is stagnant. Bottles after bottles after bottles. That's what a city, that's a couch right there. So it really looks bad, but the good thing I already know in advance that they're cleaning it, so they're capturing all the rubbish, and then there's gonna be a tugboat, a barge that comes and literally eat all this garbage. So that's the good thing. So I think because this project is new, it's something that they're rolling out to probably use it at other places where the gully or the river meets the ocean. That's a fridge right there. You know, you never know, probably a lot more stuff is in this as well. And that's why I don't even like the idea of persons with fish in the harbor, because you know most of the fishes consume some of these stuff. You know, you can even have alright, so that was a bike. As the police arresting or seizing a few bikes and cars that are super loud. Well, that's a mattress right there. Right, so I was saying that, you know, probably even some dead life material is even in this as well. You know, you never know. So yeah, just wanted to highlight this. So we don't want this garbage and debris to dampen the project, but this is a part of the project where they're capturing the garbage and debris before it enters the sea. So I'm gonna record a news article that I saw and show you guys the other side of the story. So I'm gonna send up back the drone so you guys watch to the end. Remember to subscribe, remember to leave your comments, remember to like, and remember to share as well so persons can see the awesome work. So this is gonna be a street light because all of this is the jogging trail going straight back down to the fishing village, Raytown. So yeah, so all of this is a jogging trail, and I guess some fishermen will have the option to park their boat right here. So at night all these lights will be up and running. The persons can run comfortably. Alright, and then from the drone you guys will be able to see much better as well. I'll send the drone as far as Victoria Pier down by Waterfront. So we have the boulders first to break the waves, then the reinforced concrete. Alright guys, let's send up back the drone. Hey guys, so this is what I was mentioning. As you can see, they have plans to clean up the area, but not only here, it's an initiative being carried out by the Grace Kennedy Group. So that's the Interceptor Ocean Cleanup. And this photo was on January 19, 2022. So in this photo, released January 19, 2022, the Ocean Cleanups Interceptor Tender inspects the interceptor barrier at the mouth of the Barnes Gully in the Kingston Harbor. Debris will be removed from the interceptor barriers installed at the mouths of the Kingston Pen Gully, Barnes Gully, and Raytown Gully by the interceptor tender, a small powered barge that will collect trash. The interceptor barriers are a pilot project being implemented by the Ocean Cleanup in collaboration with the Grace Kennedy Foundation, Clean Harbors Jamaica Limited, and several other public and private sector partners. So I think this is a really good initiative where recycling is concerned, where the ocean is concerned, where pollution is concerned. Let me know what you guys think.